Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
What's up, everyone? Ready to level up your phone game? Check out the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4. It's gonna blow your mind. This phone is seriously sleek and has a gorgeous 6.67-inch AMOLED screen. That means super smooth scrolling and gaming thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're playing games or watching videos, it'll look amazing. Inside, it's got the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor. That's a fancy way of saying it's super fast and can handle anything you throw at it. No more lag. Perfect for those intense mobile gaming sessions. Let's talk about the camera. It's got a 50-megapixel main camera that takes incredible pictures and videos even when it's dark. Plus, you can shoot 4K video with awesome stabilization so your videos will look professional. Battery life is a beast. The 6550 mAh battery lasts all day. And with 90W fast charging, you can power up super quick. And there's more. It's water and dust resistant, has a fingerprint sensor built into the screen, NFC for easy payments, and runs the latest Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2. All this for just Rs25, $000 or $300. You can get it online or in stores right now. So what are you waiting for? Go grab the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 and see what the future of phones looks like. Check out website address to learn more and buy one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech videos. See you in the next one.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.